In this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to make this drip effect in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 44 of 365. Once we have our image, text or logo here, let's add the effect CC Smear. You will see this point here and you'll have also a point at the center. If you don't see those points, that's because you're not selecting the effect, so make sure to select the effect. And now you can put these points wherever you want, and to animate the drip effect we have to make a keyframe here for reach. So make a keyframe. First let's start from 0, now move forward and increase the dripping. So you can also make this with a bigger radius and it will take more from the image, like that. You already have the dripping, but you can see this part here. To fix that, when it already dropped that part, we have to make a keyframe here to radius. Now go move forward, even forward than this frame. Press U to see all the keyframes, like here, and set radius to 0. This is this keyframe. Now you will see. Okay, let's also easy the first keyframe with F9 and move the speed graph to be something like this. Let's see how it looks. So there already we have the drip effect. We can also add some more dripping. We can just duplicate this effect with Ctrl D and now move these points to another place, like here, and this to here. So make sure that this second point in the bottom have the same X value than the point here at the top. So copy this position with Ctrl C and paste it in the bottom here with Ctrl V. So now it will look like it's just straight. So press U to see all the keyframes and let's move and offset these keyframes by a little bit. To add a extra detail, let's add the effect turbulent displace. Now with this effect, first let's change this to turbulent smoother and let's increase the size until your image looks something like this. Now let's animate the evolution, so I'll click the stopwatch and let's type time asterisk 100. There you go, now we have this. And it have a lot of turbulence, so let's decrease the amount to 25 and also move this turbulent effect to the top of all the effects. So now it should look better. Now let's see. Also, to avoid these straight lines at the edge because of the turbulent displace, let's add a grow bounce effect. Bring this to the top and increase this a little bit. And now you'll see it looks better. Increase this to something like 500 or 1000. And now it will look like this. If you want your image to come back to normal without the turbulence, you have to make a keyframe here for the amount of turbulence at the end. Move forward and set the amount to 0. And now it will come back to normal. That's all for today's video. You can download this project file in the description down below and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya.